Hello, calculus community. Today we found derivative of implicit function at point 1 pi over 2. The first step, we have to find derivative of left side and right side. Keep in your mind y, it is function f of x. So we will use for left side chain rule. Cosine y prime equals negative sine y times y prime equals x squared derivative 2x y squared plus 2y times y prime. Derivative 5 equals 0. Now we will use our given information. We have point 1 pi over 2. So we can take x equals 1, y equals pi over 2 and plug in our derivative. It would be negative sine pi over 2 times y prime equals 2 times 1 plus 2 times pi over 2 times y prime. We have sine pi over 2, it is 1. So we have negative 1 times y prime equals 2 plus, we can cancel out 2 here, it would be pi y prime. Now we have to isolate y prime, it would be our answer. So we have negative y prime minus pi y prime equals 2. Now we have common factor y prime, factor out, negative 1 minus pi equals 2. Now we divide it by negative 1 minus pi, both sides, and we will have answer y prime equals 2 over negative 1 minus pi. It is derivative of our given function cosine y equals x squared plus y squared minus 5 at point 1 pi over 2. Thank you for watching and see you soon.